Okay, so that's installed. Not going to do a long-winded video. Doing this from my phone, actually, partially out of laziness. Key points. So I believe, based on what I just put in it for fluid, it holds a little bit more. Not a lot, but a little bit more. So be prepared for that. The bolts that they supply. As you can see, there's a lock washer under them. When I ran them in earlier, they didn't bottom out. A few of them did. Bottomed out, were tight, but a few of them, the little bushing they give you, hang tight with me, yep, like this, that goes under the head of the bolt and seats in the housing there, or the cover. They were loose and rattling, so I went in the stainless hardware box I have access to, and I got some of these lock washers. See if the camera will focus. Right there. So you may or may not need them if you're putting them on one of these trucks. The bolt seemed a little long. The only one I didn't need to put that on was this one, because they gave me a fatter bushing to put under there to space this out for the emergency brake cables. So that's that. Glad I got a low profile one. As you can see, it barely clears my sway bar. I think if I'd got a normal one, it would have definitely hit. So there's the part number for that one right there. Low profile says right there. And I just want to give these guys some props again. I like buying stuff from them. Quick Performance. That's where I got the 410s that were previously in this from. The Eaton Posi that's still in it. The 456s that are currently in it. All from them. And some other stuff that's not on this truck on some of the cars in the shop. Also received Posi gears, things like that from them. That's the Transmission Specialties converter. Got it out. I started taking it apart yesterday, obviously, if you've been following some of the shorts. Got the FTI converter in. Yep, there it is right there. We're going to be sending this one back to get restalled. I've still got to, obviously, check the fluid and start it up, heat cycle it, all that, get it back in. But, yep, there's the box. But now I have to clean up the aftermath. All the tools and rags and everything else. And gonna take it for a ride a little bit later. So stay tuned for that. I'll film some of that. I'll go through anything that I need to change in tune. I'm kind of expecting it with the looser converter to try and overrun the shifts and bump the limiter. Don't want that. So I'll probably have to go in and pull the mile per hour down. So as always, I appreciate you watching, and like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I know it's corny. I hate even having to do that, but we are within about 700 watch hours of being monetized. And I know that does y'all no good, but yes, it does. Sort of, kind of. Because all that money will go right back into the channel for some of this nonsense. And more projects, more tests, more part swapping to see what works best. Track testing, probably a little bit of dyno. And all that good stuff. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.